All right, let's talk about the inside snow plow. Solve each equation, no decimals, and then reduce your answers. Let's see here. Looks like you can have it either fraction or mixed number form. Fraction or, I'm pretty lenient here. Looks like I'll let you keep it as a mixed number, even though I'm not a huge fan of mixed numbers. I like fractions better. All right, here we go. Looks like we have x plus 1 1/2 equals 3 1/3. Okay, so let's go ahead and knock this bad boy out here. I'm going to rewrite it down here. Let's go x plus 1 whoa, wow, that's a plus sign. Come on, bro. 1 1/2 equals 3 1/3. Okay, so again, the reason I hate mixed numbers the most is because we have to make common denominators out of them. So let's see here. 1 1/2, 3 1/3. That's going to be 1, and I'm going to say, the first thing that 2 and 3 have in common is a 6. So you're going to be 3/6. You're going to be 3 2/6. Here we go. You're still 1/2. You're still 3/6. Okay, so now life is a little bit better for us. Okay, next move is, again, mixed numbers are just the most... Wow, that's a plus sign, bro. What are you doing? Jeez Louise. Okay, mixed numbers are still just the worst, so I don't even like to mess with these. I like to go ahead and change them to improper fractions. So 1 times 6 plus 3 is going to be a 9. So you're 9/6. And then 3 times 6 is 18, plus 2 is 20. So you're 26. Okay, so we have x plus, hey, there we go. I did it right finally. X plus 9/6 equals 20/6. So just like anything else, it's a one-step equation. So I'm going to subtract 9/6 from this side, minus 9/6 from this side. You're all gone. Okay, 20 minus 9, I believe, is 11. So again, once you get it to here, I guess I should have rewrote it right here. Minus 9/6. There we go. 20 things minus 9 things is going to be 11 things. There we go. Oops, there we go. So I think x is going to be 11/6. Now, I don't want to make it a mixed number again, so I'm going to leave it alone. Okay. So x is going to be 11/6. Okay, cool. Good for me. Now, double check here. We have time. We got time. We got time. And we got a calculator. So let's do some math here. Bracket 11/6 plus 1.5. Oh, I'm so cheating. That is 1.5. Ooh, 3.3 repeating. I'm pretty sure that's what 3 1/3 is. Yes! We got it. Okay. Not a huge fan of mixed numbers. These things have always given me chills, even since I was little. But even as a math teacher, just ugh. As soon as I see mixed numbers, I don't like it, friends. I just don't like it. All right, same dealio here. We got y minus 2 1/2 equals 4 1/3. Come on, pen, hang in there, bud. All right, so to do this properly, we've got to have like fractions here. So the 2 is going to stay at 2. You're going to become 3/6 again. Because again, 2 and 3, the first number they have in common is a 6. I try to make these banks not super mean. Okay. All right, so again, it's kind of hard for me. Well, let's try the other way. I think there's another way. I think you can actually add mixed numbers if you follow some rules here. So let's do it the other way. You don't have to convert them to improper fractions. I think you can go ahead and do this. 2 3/6. Okay, so you're canceled. Y is going to equal all of this noise. So I think the rule is you add the fractions first. So let's see here. We have 2 things plus 3 things. So it's going to be 5 things, and then 4 plus 2 is 6. So now if this were to become a bigger number, so like let's say if it was like, just an example on the side, let's say it was like 8/6, you'd have to turn this into a 1 2/6. And then that 1 would add to the 6. So you have to, if you have an improper fraction, make sure you rewrite it as a mixed number, then this whole number and that whole number would mix. But that wasn't the case in this case. So 6 5/5. Excuse me. 6 5/6. Sorry, my lisp is killing me here. All right, so this one, since I left it as a mixed number all the way through, I'm going to go ahead and answer it as a mixed number because it's allowable. That's what it says right there. So I'm going to go, if I were to type it in Schoology, it'd be 6 space, and then I'd go 5/6. So that's how I would look in Schoology, okay, or how I would type it right there. If you're doing a mixed number, make sure you do the whole number, space, and then the fraction. All right. So double check. Yep, 2 things plus 3 things is 5 things, and then 5 is not more than 6, so it stays a fraction, and then 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, I got a calculator. I'm gonna double check my math here. I got time. I got all the time in the world. Take 10 extra seconds to make sure you're accurate. 5, excuse me, 5, bracket 4 plus 2, 6. I'm going to use my converted ones. I guess I could use the originals, but it's the same thing. Plus bracket 2 plus 3, 6. There you go. 6.83 repeating. 6 plus 5, 6 is the same thing. Yes! We did it. Ugh. Do not like you mixed numbers. Never have, never will. You just got to deal with it. That is the inside snowplow, my students.